In this video, I'm covering my full marketing game plan, so that's choosing the best niche that you can make money, how to actually create a content whether you're blogging or on YouTube, and to generate sales in the top 5 affiliate networks. The key here is using your own experience in a niche, so affiliate marketing is simply making money from your content by somebody finding it helpful based around products. Right now, the key here is to dive down this rabbit hole of products, not just stay on the surface. For example, we wouldn't want to make affiliate revenue around just like the best laptops right now. It's super broad. If we're blogging, we're gonna be competing with Tech Radar or Tom's Guide, all of these huge sites right now. So instead of like laptops and TVs, you can talk about home theater speakers or anything like that. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So first things first, let's go ahead and talk about this example right here. We have this video right here talking about seedlings into a garden and 4 mistakes that you should avoid. And if you actually go ahead and watch this, it has a lot of valuable information talking about this specific topic. And if we go on over to the description right here, we can go ahead and see a bunch of affiliate links that corresponds with the tools used inside this video. We can go ahead and see the birds raised beds, the sulfur dust for fungal disease, the UV resistant maker, neem oil row cover, tomato clips, and more. As you can see, this type of strategy can extremely work well because he is providing valuable content to the viewers, and while doing that, he is also leaving his affiliate links for people to go ahead and click. Now when someone goes ahead and buy from his affiliate links right here, he can go ahead and earn what's called affiliate commission. And what this means is that every sale that this product gets, he gets a percentage of it. So first, you want to choose whether you're going to do blogging or YouTube. You can do both, but I recommend you probably start and focus on one because they both take time. So blogging is going to be text-based content, good for introvert people behind the computer that don't want to necessarily put their face on camera. If you like writing, if you want to update your audience, and if you want to pick a niche that's not too competitive, because there's a lot of things on Google that are just too competitive right now. Think about like software VPNs, credit cards. There's just certain niches that don't make sense to get into when it comes to blogging. Meanwhile, YouTube is a video-based content. Obviously, better for people that aren't necessarily scared of being on camera. They can talk to the camera, and yes, you can do faceless videos, but I always recommend that it's probably best to be on camera. It's a lot simpler. Technically, you don't have to worry about creating WordPress sites. The most technical part is the actual equipment that you can use. But really, you can just use an iPhone and a window for lighting. Well, video editing maybe you might need to learn, and any niche here can make money. Where there's kind of a set affiliate, you know niches that are kind of too competitive. Now, YouTube is always looking for new and fresh content, so you could go ahead and create a video about the best credit cards or the best VPNs and get views on YouTube sending links that way. So any niche can make money, nothing is too saturated. Ultimately, both are best for affiliate marketing. Blogging is where people could go ahead and search and compare information, so most of the time these blog articles will go ahead and leave affiliate links to their blog post. Both are really good, so you ultimately have to kind of think about which one do you prefer. What's your personality like? What do you see yourself actually doing when it comes to niche selection? Well, for blogging, you want to pick a low competition physical product niche that isn't dominated by media sites. So for example, you could go ahead and see Rolling Stones is writing about articles on what is the best blenders or what is the best laptops, and there's just giant companies writing stuff in the business, software, finance, tech categories. So the ones that aren't as competitive are like outdoor products, physical goods. Things are on Amazon like power tools, hobby indoors and outdoors. Forbes hasn't written an article yet, so those are some niche selection things. For YouTube, you want to go ahead and pick something that you know and you could talk about for hours. So you want to have an easy, simple setup where it's like you and a camera, a studio, and that could just turn everything. You could just go ahead and talk about it. You don't have to go out in the world like YouTube and talk to a bunch of people in public and make it real difficult. You could just make it super easy. So with content again, this is just a marathon, not a sprint. A lot of affiliate marketing videos promise 24-hour success on clickback by hacking your way with a Facebook ad or something. That's not a way to build a sustainable business. So when we actually think longer term and we think, how am I actually going to create this content around my personal brand and build a true brand over the next 6 months or years, your actions are a little bit different. You're not rushing all the content to just get out and add affiliate links. You're actually creating really good content and you're setting yourself up, setting a foundation for much more success in the future. So now that you know all of the basics about affiliate marketing, I'm going to tell you the best affiliate programs. So for the first affiliate program, we have Partner Stacks. This is full of tech companies that you can go ahead and affiliate. As we can go ahead and see right here, Recruity, 20% every sale in year 1, collaborative, easy to use hiring software to help internal HR teams work with the rest of their organization. You could just go ahead and see a bunch of programs right here, a bunch of commissions that you could go ahead and take advantage of. You have your Unbounce, Hive format, Store affiliate program, and more. You could also go ahead and categorize them right here. Browse by category. We have your featured, recently added, accounting, development, e-commerce, human resources, and more. We're just gonna go ahead and click on security right here, and as you can see, for the same box, we can go ahead and earn up to 30% recurring commission on all sales. Average partners earns 2,300 in 90 days. You could also go ahead and see a brief description about this SaneBox right here. SaneBox is the leading AI email productivity tool that saves users 12 to 14 hours a month on email time. And if you actually go ahead and click on any of the programs right here, you will just have to go ahead and fill a little bit of your information and you should be good to go. So for the next affiliate program that we have, it is called Share a Sale. This is best for accessories, for clothing, for automotive, business auction services, photography, and more. There's a lot of categories right here that you could go ahead and see. You have your computer, electronics, domain names, education, family, and more. You could also go ahead and see the merchants right here. You have your Sealight, Opal Camera, Async Technology, Neo1, H-Ships, Organics, and more. So lastly, we have the elephant in the room, and that is Amazon Associates affiliate program. So Amazon kinda sucks right now, but it's kinda where most people start. The commission rates are low, yes, but they have so many products right there, and it's really easy to join up and promote product, especially on like YouTube description. It's just really easy to add them all in there instead of joining individual affiliate programs for like different types of things. It's a catch-all for physical products if you're just starting out as a blogger or a YouTuber, but the goal here is to start with Amazon. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.